Our physical body is like a kind of a stone, and our double is a kind of like the wave that the stone will do if we throw the stone at the lake. And so you will see the wave. The wave will be like the information of the stone. Yes, the double will be like our information. So how are we going to connect all this to the topic of today? How to find a more meaningful life? Because our double that has all the information of our past and all the future possibilities can help us to do that. Why? Because if we are more connected every time in the present and totally impartial and neutral, then our double will be revealing us and bringing us information about our higher frequencies, like love and higher emotions and peace, our talents, our abilities, because those are states of the being that are more connected with higher states of being. So peace and love and harmony and joy will come more to us if we empty ourselves. We are all the time in the present. Before we go to sleep, we leave all our problems and our things and our conflicts, and we start this kind of relationship with our double, like questions and answers. We ask a question, and maybe in a quarantine we will receive the answer. So that can happen if we are more and more connected and conscious of how we coexist in different dimensions in different times, because then we know ourselves and the logic of plane of existence, and also the logic in which our double works. And then we will start receiving what is the information to have a more meaningful life. Our double will be the path to a more meaningful life and existence. To make it a little bit more graphic, I was thinking, how the hell I can make this such difficult matter, make it simple? How is it that like an observer creates reality? Well, by judging it or not judging it, depends how we perceive. That's how in quantum physics at a subatomic level, we will be having a kind of manifestation, not only physically, but because we are going to be aware of those things we want to be created. Like, I hope that this happen, and probably our attention will be fixed in those things to happen. And because our attention is very limited, it's probably the only thing that we perceive consciously. And that's how we are collapsing reality all the time.